to the moonlight, to the tree of life, from the king of beautiful sunlight, to the moonlight, to the tree of life, from the king of life, from evening to morning, from Sabbath to Sabbath, from one new moon to another, from eternity to eternity. God's creation is regeneration, the earth made new again, the new Jerusalem, the city of God, where all is at peace, where life shall never cease. God's creation is regeneration, the earth made new again, the new Jerusalem, the city of God, where all is at peace.